Hello everyone and welcome to Centrestack. In today's video, I'm going to go over team folders and team folder permissions in Centrestack. Team folders are folders that are created so team members can have a shared workplace to collaborate with other team members, and also where an admin can assign the team members permissions to the team folder. I'm currently logged in as an admin in my web portal, and web portal is a place where you can create, publish, and set permissions for team folders. I'm going to go ahead and take you into the right pane where it says team folders. We have 3 team folders that are published. I'm going to click on manage to show you, and these are all the team folders that are published, and an admin can control them and take a look at all the published folders and can also create team folders from here as well. I'm going to go ahead and publish a team folder to show you how we publish the team folders and add users. I'm going to select my Google folder, and I'm going to right click and select publish as team folder option. I'm going to ahead and click on add users, and these are the users in my team. So I'm going to select user 1 and user 2 and click done. And both of my users, user 1 and user 2, have read and write permissions, and I'm going to click apply. I'm going to go ahead and take you into my user 1's browser to show you when the folder is published. It says team folder in parentheses, and I'm going to go ahead and go inside the admin's team folder and inside the user's team folder, which is published, and show you we have the same subfolder and the files, same view. And I'm going to go ahead and show you this is user 2, and as you see where it says Google, it says team folder, and we have the same subfolder and files inside. I'm going back to the admin's web portal. I'm going to go inside the team folder again. I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to call it a secret folder, and I'm going to give one user permission to this folder and another user no permission. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So this is our folder, and I'm just going to upload some files. I'm just going to upload some test files. I'm going to go ahead and upload them. And now when you go up a level, you see that our folder is created. I'm going to go into this user and show you user 2 sees the folders now, the subfolders, and you see the files inside the subfolder. And so does user 1. When we go inside the Google team folder, you see the secret folder we created as well. I'm going to go ahead and check that folder, highlight it, and I'm going to set permissions for that folder. It says no permission was set for this folder. All team users have full access by default. Admin user always has full access. Please click add user above to add user to the folder. And the folder may not be visible to team users if they're not part of the team folder, regardless of the permission. So we're going to add a user, and I'm going to add user 1, and I'm going to click done, and I'm going to give user 1 list and read and click apply. And I'm also going to add user 2, and I'm going to give user 2 none of these. So this user is not even going to be able to access the folder. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my other browser now, where I'm logged in as user 1, and I'm going to refresh, and I'm going to go inside my secret folder, and I want to show you the user is unable to add or upload any files. It has some options that are grayed out because this user only has read and list permissions. I'm going to go into other browser. I'm logged in as user 2, and user 2 does not even have permission to open the folder. So it says sorry, unable to list the folder. Access is denied because this user did not have the permissions. So now I'm going to go into the admins folder, and I'm going to go up a level. And I'm going to click on manage for team folders, and I'm going to edit the Google team folder, and I'm going to delete a user, which is user 2, and apply. Now when I delete the user, user 2 no longer sees the Google team folder, as you could see, but user 1 still sees the Google team folder because we did not delete that user. I'm going to go ahead and close this window. Now I'm going to go ahead and go inside my Google team folder and select my Google Apps folder and click permissions from the right pane. I'm going to give this user read, write, and list permission. And now when I go into my browser, I'm going to show you the user is able to upload the file. So I'm going to upload the data file, and is able to edit and is able to download, but the user is not able to rename. you have to have the delete option checked for the user to have delete and rename permission. As you can see, it says access is denied, and when we delete, again, it says access is denied. Now I'm going to go ahead and reset the permission. I'm going to click on permission as an admin, and I'm going to check delete as well. And I'm going to click apply. I'm going to go back into the browser of user 1 and refresh. Now I'm going to go ahead and rename, and I should be able to rename. So I'm going to rename it to test123. And as you see, it does rename, and I'm going to delete this file here. And as you can see, it deletes. I'm going to go again in my folder, and I want to show you that we deleted and made renamed, and you see the changes here as well. I'm going to go up a level, and I'm going to go ahead and click Manage Team Folders. And I'm going to go ahead and delete the folder. And when we go, when we go into user 1, you no longer see Google Team Folder, you only see Windows Team Folder. And this is how an admin can create team folder and set team folder permissions in Centrestack. Thank you.